Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G32. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security, go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non, swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with the first two that are actually non-security, non and swipe. Now let's select password to create password at least 4 characters. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. And in the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to fingerprint unlock, and to save your fingerprint, scan it on the power button. Tap your fingerprint on the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock, tap setup, and now scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, because of the lighting in this room, I can't properly scan my face, but basically you have to put it in front of this ring and then scan it, and then you'll be able to use it on the lock screen to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.